CASHAPP.
What's up, YouTube? What's up, MT Squad? It's your girl, Meka Lashia. Squad, I'm hard. Oh, Lord. What's up, y'all? For those of you who come across this video, if you are not subscribed, go right now. Subscribe to the channel. Make sure you have the notification bell on so you'll be notified when we drop a video or whenever we go live. Next, smash the like button. Woo! So, listen, I just did a video on a lip plumber, and so this is the video I'm going to do on the review about Luminess airbrush makeup. So it's an airbrush foundation. It came with a brush, it came with the primer, and it came with the foundation. So this is actually a foundation that, once again, I seen going around on TikTok, but I did not purchase this from off of TikTok. I went to their main website and did it there. But this is the packaging, y'all. So it's cute. It's cute. I'm fixing to open it up. This is my first time opening it up. Ooh, cute. So what we have in here is we have a little card showing you, you know, I guess with the instructions on how to put it on, what to do, or whatever. Then there's the application brush, a double-sided brush. There's this is the foundation, the actual foundation, right here. And then we have the primer. This is the primer. Okay, so this is what it looks like, y'all. Okay, so let me read the direction. I'm only going to do half of my face, y'all, because I'm just doing a review. I'm just trying it on. It's my first time. So what it says is you shake it first. Step 1, you shake it. Step 2, spray onto the brush, staying 1 inch away. And step 3, apply using buffing motions. So yeah, I guess that's using both. You do both of them the same way. You do the primer first, and then you do the foundation. So one side is for the primer, I'm guessing, and one side is for the foundation. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use one side for the primer, one side for the foundation. Okay, so here's the brush. Here's what the brush looks like. Okay. Matter of fact, no. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the same side. So let me open it up. Since it's the first time, I'm gonna use one side for both. It ain't gonna hurt nothing. So shake it up. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. And this is the primer. It says it's a hydrating primer. So I'm gonna spread. It says spread 1 inch away. So okay, I'm gonna do this side. Put it in. Buffing it in. I hope that's enough. I don't know if that's enough. I hope it's enough because I'm not trying to put a whole lot. Okay. That's primer on one side of my face, y'all. I don't know if y'all can tell the difference. I don't see a difference in them right now because all I did was put some primer on. I don't know. I don't see a difference. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna spray a little more just to be on the safe side. Okay. And I'm gonna let that sit for about, I like to let my primer sit. I'm gonna let that sit for about 3 minutes and then I'll be back. Okay, y'all, I let the primer sit. Now I'm fixing to use the foundation. So, just like hold it an inch back. Spray it on the brush. Okay. I didn't spray a lot. I don't want a whole lot on my face. Okay. Spray some more. Dab it in. Okay. I can see it. Okay, I see a little difference of whatever. It matched my skin good too, y'all. Now, now see, I'm used to using what I use is, I forgot the foundation I usually use. Lord have mercy. But it gives you a airbrush finish also. And this is doing the job now. Hold on. Like, I like it now. It's lightweight. It look good. Y'all see that? It look good, y'all. Oh, shoot. Okay, Luminess. Shoot. Luminess coming through, baby. It look cool. It look good. I don't know. Do I want to add a little more? It says that it's double coverage. Can y'all see the difference? This side I have foundation. This side I don't. Can you see? Can you tell the difference? Foundation. No foundation. I don't know. I'm gonna put a little more, y'all. I don't like a whole lot, but I'm just trying to put enough where you can actually see the product real good. It matches really good, y'all. And like I said, it's lightweight. Okay, I remember the name of the foundation I used. It'll Make It. That's what I usually use. It'll Make It, and it does great. It actually gives you an airbrush finish also for the one that I get. And this looks really good, y'all. It looks real good. Like, yes. Oh, I like this stuff. I like it. And it color matched to my skin too. So I didn't have to try to figure out, you know what I'm saying, what color I needed. It actually did that for me. And y'all, when I say this looks really good, like, it looks really good. Oh my God. As opposed to this side. Look, it's natural. And side with the foundation. It look good, y'all. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling Luminess, baby. Luminess got it going. I don't do, you hear me? It looks good. Baby, all I need to do, like, for real, being honest, you can put this on and just go out the door, no makeup, no makeup. Now, I don't mean no makeup, but without concealer, and you'll look so good just with foundation. No concealer, no contour. It actually looks good. It looks like my natural skin. I like this. I ain't finna lie, baby. I'm gonna give this I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. Like, I don't even see why I wouldn't give it a 10 out of 10. Like, I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. It's great, y'all. Like, seriously. I can't leave y'all a link. But all y'all gotta do is just go, you know what I'm saying, go look up Luminess foundation. Go look it up. It's good. I recommend it. I highly recommend it. I do. It's great. It did the job. It did the job. Like, yeah. And in the shade, right? Like, I love it. All the way around, all the way across the board. Great. Color is lightweight. It feels dry already. I don't even feel like I got no makeup. Like, I'm trying, you know how sometimes you put on makeup and you move your face and it feel like you got, I don't even feel that I got no makeup on, y'all. Like, seriously. This is crazy. 10 out of 10. If you guys liked this video, y'all make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you guys smash the like button on the way out. All the ladies, because these are videos for the ladies. You know what I'm saying? Self-care, reviews I'm doing for y'all. Let me know if y'all want me to do a review on something else. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye. Hey.